In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage tracking prevention settings in Microsoft Edge, ensuring your browsing experience is both safe and efficient. Let's dive right in and get started with the first step. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Edge browser. If you're not familiar with it, it's the icon on your desktop or taskbar that looks like a blue and green swirl. You can also find it by typing Microsoft Edge into the search bar on your computer. Once you have the browser up and running, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window. There, you'll see three dots aligned vertically. This menu icon is crucial, as it's your gateway to a plethora of browser settings that you might find helpful not just for today, but for future customization and adjustments. When you click on these three dots, a drop-down menu will appear, offering a variety of options. From there, you want to navigate down and find the word Settings. Clicking on it will take you to a new page where all your browser configurations live. It's like the control center for your browsing activity. Now, when you're in the Settings menu, direct your focus to the panel on the left-hand side of the window. You'll see several tabs listed there, but the one we're interested in is labeled Privacy, Search, and Services. Clicking on this section will guide you deeper into the nuanced ways you can tweak your privacy settings and enhance your search experiences through Edge. You'll now be on a page that shows various privacy and security options. What you're looking for is the Tracking Prevention setting. It's an essential feature that helps you manage how websites track your browsing activities. Once you find this option, click on it and you'll be taken to a more detailed page. On this page, you'll see an option titled Enable Tracking Prevention. To the right of this option, there's a toggle switch, which by default might be turned off. Go ahead and click this toggle switch to activate tracking prevention. You'll notice that once enabled, several more options become available, allowing you to customize your experience. These are labeled as Basic, Balanced, and Strict. Each of these options offers different levels of protection. Basic provides the minimum level of tracking prevention, blocking only harmful trackers. Balanced delivers a bit more protection by blocking trackers from both harmful and less harmful sites while maintaining an optimal experience. Finally, Strict offers the highest level of protection, blocking the majority of trackers, but it might affect the functionality of some websites. Feel free to select the option that best matches your privacy needs and browsing habits. And there you have it. Setting up tracking prevention in Microsoft Edge is a straightforward process that significantly contributes to your online privacy. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Happy browsing!